Time for a look at the tropics, and today we will not be starting with Guillermo because we do have Guillermo through here, and as of 8 o'clock Pacific time it was centered at 21.5 north, 139.5 west, and that's still more than 1,000 miles away from the Hawaiian Islands. You see the islands right through here, so still a long way away. It's moving northwest, so should travel north of the Hawaiian Islands. It's moving northwest at 9 miles per hour. And the winds have diminished a lot. Remember when it was a powerful hurricane? I think when I came in a few days ago, it had winds of 160 miles per hour. Now 50 miles per hour. So the reason for that? Well, it's moving over cooler water. And remember, a tropical system needs water temperatures of 80 degrees or higher to sustain its strength or to strengthen. And now it's moving over cooler waters, which kind of surround and protect the Hawaiian Islands, and so that is why this one is weakening, and is it expected to continue to weaken in the same fashion in the next 24 to 48 hours. It should dissipate completely. So it still looks kind of impressive really on the satellite picture. The biggest effect in the Hawaiian Islands may be by the beginning or middle part of the work week. You may get a few clouds around. Surf has really subsided, so that's been good. Yesterday we had some reports of stronger surf coming in. Today we checked the advisories, and it looked like east-facing beaches may have slightly higher waves, but it shouldn't be really a very big deal. So great news if you're headed to Hawaii. No big problems. Won't worry about Guillermo. This area of cloudiness south of Cabo San Lucas is the next one to watch. The Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on this one, with the possibility of it becoming a tropical depression in the next 24 to 48 hours. All right, here we go. We're now on infrared satellite picture. Again, this is Guillermo, and I think the Hawaiian Islands are just about at the edge of the screen here. And when you see this kind of milky looking cloud cover, it's really cooler water temperatures, and so we have that. So
tropical weather for you, and new information, at least as of 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Tropical storm Guillermo sustained at 50 miles per hour, moving north at 10 miles per hour. A little bit of a change from earlier when we had somewhat of a northwesterly push to the center of circulation. However, there's a little bit of confusion as to exactly where the low-level center may be. We've had a flare of some convection, some thunderstorm development today, and it's comfortably east, over 1,000 miles east-northeast of Hilo, Hawaii. But speaking of Hawaii, we still have high surf advisories in effect for all of the east-facing coasts on the islands. Surf 6 to 8 feet, generally speaking. Not out of the question that we could get a few swells coming in at about 10 feet or so. There's the closer inspection. You can see the flow of higher cirrus clouds here fanning out in that circular manner that you tend to see when the upper level winds are favorable. However, this is a tropical, a warm core, warm type of low pressure system that has been over the cool Pacific Ocean waters for a considerable amount of time now, so it continues to decay or diminish in overall strength. But periodically you are getting these pulses of convection or new thunderstorm development in association with the tropical system. There's the Big Isle, the rest of the islands. Here's our tropical storm Guillermo, and then we head up towards the Baja, San Diego, and up towards Point Conception. A lot of the swells being indicated by the buoys here, and some of the Coast Guard observing stations indicating 2 to 3 feet swells as of late this afternoon. And so there's been a general decrease in the intensity of some of the swells coming in from Tropical Storm Guillermo. Now we are looking with